guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my May update to the Beauty Chest project pan. So if you want to see all the progress that I've made, I have a full refresh, then let's get right on into this. This is created by Jessica at Makeup Misfit, who will be listed down below, as well as all the pertinent details. This is based off the community chest cards from Monopoly. It goes from September 27th of last year to August 27th of this year. My brain short-circuited for a second. It's rolling style with collection-specific goals. You start with 4 prompts, and you can roll the same prompt in multiple times, even in the same update. So, we were working on birthday gift, which is pull in a mini. So I pulled in my Rare Beauty Mini Blush in the shade Hope. And I had a 5-use goal. I used it twice in April to reach my 5-use goal on April 5th. Dun 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 dun. Birthday gift is finally done. A goal met and a roll out. I like this blush. I don't love this formula. I have 2 of these. I have a full size and a mini. And I just don't love the formula of these blushes. I just don't. You have to be too finicky with them. I want a blush that I can just slather on my face and not have to deal with it. These you have to be so particular with, and I don't like that. So, it is what it is. Then we had Shopping Spree, which is add 2 products. So for Shopping Spree Part 1, I brought in from this JCat Beauty, both prompts are this product, but for Part 1, it was the blush from the duo, and I had a 4-use goal on this blush, and I used it all 4 times in April, and I met my goal on the 13th of April. And for Shopping Spree Part 2, I used the highlighter, and we hit a cheeky pan. I had used the highlight 10 times. I used it all 10 times in April, and I met my goal on the 14th of April. I can't believe this was brand new when I rolled it in. 10 uses hit that pan, which is wild to me. It's a shallow pan. But it's a beautiful highlighter. I am wearing it today. I love this highlighter. I like the highlighter more than I like the blush, which is upsetting. But those are both products that are goals met and roll out. We will hopefully only be rolling in 1 product to replace that. So there is that. Then we had Makeup Memory Box, which is a favorite. So I brought in one of my Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome eyeshadows, and this is the shade Lunar Voltage, which I only had to use 2 times. I used it for the final time in April on April 1st. So this one flips green or blue. It flips green. So it looks blue, flips green. Love it. Gorgeous. Very happy to have it. But that one is a goal met and a roll out. I mean, of course, I said I had a full refresh, so they're all goals met and roll outs. I don't have to keep saying that, but this one is indie, which is unique to your collection. So I had rolled in this Ofra pencil eyeliner in the shade Green Go. Not only is it a pencil eyeliner, it's the only true wooden pencil eyeliner in my collection, but the shade of green, which I will swatch it for you, is unique to my collection. It's like a khaki green. I did a 2-use goal on this. I used it once on March 27th and decided I was decluttering this. Oh my god, did this hurt so bad. So it's a wooden pencil eyeliner. And it is the hardest eyeliner in the history of ever. Like, I tried to put it in my waterline and I wasn't getting any pigment. Like, I had to press so unbelievably hard that's the softest, most gentle part of your eye. There is no way, like, this was not showing up in my waterline, and I was not going to press any harder. So I counted that as a use because I tried to use it. I tried very, very, very hard to get this to work. And I'm not going to work that hard to get an eyeliner to work. I'm going to pass this on to somebody else to see if one of my friends wants to try it and use it. But that is not for me and my sensitive, gentle eyeballs. So that is a goal met, because declutters count as goals met, and a roll out. So let me pull up the tiny decisions and we will see what 4 prompts we are rolling in. All right, come on. All right, beauty chest is up. Okay, or not. And our first prompt is broken packaging. So I'm going to double check these as we go. Use something with a broken packaging or product. Okay, that's the first time we've gotten that one actually. So, broken packaging. That one's hard for me because I don't have a lot of things that are broken. So reset the wheel. Anti-haul. What is that? Anti-haul. Start over. Roll out all products and start again. Well, I don't have any products, so I guess start over. 04, 14, 26. So I guess I'll roll out broken packaging. Start over. 14, 26. So let me highlight those because they're rollouts. An anti-haul is a rollout. So we still have 4 prompts to roll in. If I get anti-haul again, we're not doing it. That's one I'm leaving blacked out because it just messed up my whole paper. Makeup inventory. I think that's add products. Makeup inventory. Add an item from your top 3 categories. 3 items. So makeup inventory. Part 1. Makeup inventory. Part 2. And makeup inventory part 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we still have to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So reset wheel. Goodness gracious. Brand collabs. Create a color story. Great. Love that for me. Shifty shades. That is something shifty, sparkly, because I believe we've already had that one like twice. Yeah. Duo multichrome or shimmer. Okay. And our last prompt. Surprise sale. Surprise sale. Something shiny. Okay, so I'm pulling in a bunch of shiny shit. Surprise sale. Okay, so my makeup inventory is going to be something eyeshadow, something blush, and something lips, because I'm not pulling in a fragrance. So, eyeshadow, I'm writing it down. Blush, lips. Because those are my 3 favorite categories that's not fragrance, but I don't want to pull in a fragrance, so. And then I have to make a color story. I have to pull in a duo or multi-chrome and pull in something shiny. So let me go figure this out and I will be right back. Okay, I have all my things. I'm not happy about it, but I have all my things. So let me get Tiny Decisions back up because we'll have to pick our uses for half these things. So for makeup inventory part 1 eyeshadow, I'm bringing in my Natasha Denona Mini Retro. This is what I brought in last time for eyeshadow because it is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And all I want to do is No Pan Left Behind this guy again. That is it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too wild. If I keep bringing it in for No Pan Left Behind, it'll get used. So that is what we're doing for that. For makeup inventory part 2, we're bringing in a blush. And I'm bringing in my ColourPop liquid blush in the shade Wildest Dreams, which is this gorgeous hot pink. It goes with some other blushes that I am working on. It is that right there. It is a more wearable pink. And I think it is pretty. And it's just gorgeous. And let's see how many uses we have to get on the ColourPop blush. 2 uses, so nothing too crazy. 2 uses. And then for makeup inventory part 3, that is lips, I'm bringing in this lipstick from Beauty Creations. This is the shade So It's Mine, which looks like this. It's just a nice nude. So bringing that in, and let's see, how many times do we have to use the lipstick? 4. 4 uses. Then for brand collabs, that was to build a BYOP of singles. So these are the singles I'm bringing in. These 6 are Give Me Glow. These 3 are Pretties for Your Face. So that is what my BYOP looks like. I want to use this No Pan Left Behind style and use everything in it once. So yeah, that is how that is gonna go. Then for shifty shades, which is a duo, multi-chrome, or something shifty, I'm bringing in another Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome Shadow. This one is in the shade Moon Flare. And this is a beautiful light gold with like a more bronzy shift. So I think this will pair really nicely with one of my other shades I'm working on. Let's see how many times we have to use the Wet n Wild shadow. 2 times. Nothing too crazy. And last but not least, we have Surprise Sale, which is just something shiny. So I'm bringing in this ColourPop Light Sticks highlighter, and it is in the shade Sunlight. So that is what it looks like right there. It is just a beautiful light champagne-y gold highlighter. And let's see how many times we have to use it. 5. Okay. 5 uses. So that is everything we are rolling out and bringing in. That was a crazy update. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Crazy update. But that is going to do it for my update for May. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.